Here's an interesting app which is called WatchsApp, chat for watch. So it's says watch app for WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch, send messages and access all chats, messages, pictures, videos, voice messages, and more. Get connected instantly. You don't need to wait hundreds of seconds to connect WhatsApp. Everything is full HD, voice messages always with you, access all chats, send messages, view pictures in full HD even without clicking on them, play videos, send voice messages, listen to voice messages, start new chats. So yeah, it's super interesting client for your Apple Watch. I don't even know like if WhatsApp does it that they have the Apple Watch app. So let's just check it out. So you see WhatsApp Messenger, and then so yes, they don't even have like a official Apple Watch app for some reason. And WhatsApp Business also doesn't have that. So yep, that's why it's a nice idea to try out this client. So WatchsApp, and then you can just download it. It already has some kind of few ratings, like 5,000 ratings. Yeah, it's of course it's not that popular as WhatsApp, but it's definitely interesting app to check out for your Apple Watch. As you know, as if of course if you're using WhatsApp, that can be nice to have on your watch. So then you just have 3-day free trial. There is lifetime nice pricing for $20. There is price in 6 months, 12 months. It's kind of cheap app, and then if you want, you can still unlock everything, but then you can allow notifications, of course, and then just can do, and then open WhatsApp on your phone, go to WhatsApp settings, tap link devices, and then just link a device, open WatchsApp on your Apple Watch and scan the QR code, and then that's how you can just add it out to the to your Apple Watch. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's about that.